niggas up, huh? Yo, hold on. I got somebody in the building I gotta introduce real quick, man. This the hottest nigga out of Queensbridge. This the hottest nigga coming up the bridge right now.
That's my opinion. That's my opinion. That's my opinion.
I'll give him that. This the hottest nigga. I know the nigga is Piif, man. This my guy. This my brother. You know what I mean? The nigga do his thing, man. I'ma shut up. I'ma stop talking. Talk your shit, cuz.
I no talking no more.
Yo, Piif.
Yeah.
Talk your shit, cuz.
Yo.
Put that no talking on.
Yo, Piif. Yo, Piif.
Yeah.
Let them niggas know why.
Talk your shit,
Put that
cuz.
talking no talking on, man. I'm ready
Let
to
them
go.
niggas know why you just said that statement.
Talk your shit, cuz.
Everything is on up, all this shit is basic. All about the money, I'm just trying to make shit. You ain't getting money, so why you trying to say shit? All my bitches love me, I ain't with the fake shit. Everything is on up, all this shit is basic. All about the money, I'm just trying to make shit. You ain't getting money, so why you trying to say shit? Traveling up the corner, every single day shit. 6 up in the morning, something like a day shit. I'm the family, I'm just trying to make shit. Gotta live the goal, that's a life I gotta make shit. I'm trying to be patient, sick and tired of waiting. Doing this for so long, but I'm gon' make it. It ain't about the money, it don't really make sense. Can't get you $1 if you ain't trying to make sense. My homies serving for real, maybe better than fail. Never stacking this shit, so I can pay up these bills. Man, I don't care how you feel, from joining that still. Bossy tough ass niggas turning them bitches for real. Man, I got bitches for real. And they all know the deal. I just get shit for nothing. And they all know the bill. Man, I love when they do it. Fucking leave in the morning. Cuffing out of it, doing it. Now they call in the morning. I ain't with the fake shit. I got it. We ain't here. It's time to stop. Hold on. You can't stop it.
Start doing something different. Getting on the fame, money, bitches start shipping. Talking on scene till they see what I was getting. I can never switch, I've been up in the same nigga. I ain't back to little work that I've been flipping. I was on my own, busting drills out the building. That week, man, I swear I was killing. Money on the big mama tripping. I said, just one day when the cops came, alright, fuck it, it's over.
Alright, one more time.
Pray the Lord will forgive me. Made some bad decisions in my life. Now a nigga going hard. I'm just trying to make it right. I'm just trying to feed my family, get my girl to understand me. Sacrificing all this music, hoping that I win a Grammy. Man, I'm made for this shit. I ain't playing with the shit. I ain't stopping till the nigga getting paid for the shit. Every night I'm on my knees, I be praying for the shit. Go to sleep and I be dreaming about saying all this shit in front of 15,000 in the motherfucking garden. Everybody screaming Piif. Looking back on how I started when you tryna be the man. Everybody is a target, ain't no friends in this shit. Man, this game will turn your heartless. I don't need nobody help. I'ma do this shit regardless. In the streets I'm tryna eat. Feeling like a nigga starving. Trying to get my money up and stop balling like I'm Jordan. Always smoking on this loud cause it really helping. Man, I'm on the sidelines waiting for a shot. When I get up in this game, I ain't never gonna stop. I've been waiting too long. Said I've been waiting too long. Been up on my grind all day non-stop. Piif elevating, trying to take it to the top. I've been waiting too long. Said I've been waiting too long. Been up on the sidelines waiting for a shot. When I get up in this game, I ain't never gonna stop. I've been waiting too long. Said I've been waiting too long. I said I've been up on my grind all day non-stop. Piif elevating, trying to take it to the top. I've been waiting too long. Said I've been waiting too long. Too long, too long.
hit the block and hustle hard, man, a nigga really gotta feed his children. And I don't know where this shit is gonna take me. Said all I know, I will never let it break me. Yeah, never let it break me.